that situation right there. I had to grind down the caliper with that dude there. So the story is 1993 Subaru Loyale, 4-wheel drive. And I bought these rims at a junkyard back in the day and test fitted them on another 93, and then I threw them on my car and they were fine. But the situation came up when you do the brake job and you put in new rotors and new pads. It expands everything, and so these EA81s no longer fit my front brake calipers, and it really super sucked when it was winter time and I went to throw them on and they were locked. So I did as a suggestion by you guys to grind down the caliper to make a little bit of clearance. It took a little bit of work using that dude right there, but I got in there, ground that dude down, and it no longer rubs. Throw some bronze paint on there just to be ordinarily different than everyone else, going white, black, red, orange, green. I'm gonna go bronze. Alright, happy winter driving.